Namaste. Today's our topic is pyrrole of semester 4th of pharmaceutical organic chemistry. So let's start basic. What is heterocyclic compound? Cyclic compound with one or more other elements along with carbon atom are heterocyclic compounds. Non-carbon atom are the heteroatoms. Common heteroatoms are nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, etc. Number of drug in pharmaceutical sciences are hydrocarbons. Heterocyclic compound may be natural origin or synthetic available. Five-membered heterocyclic compound having one heteroatom are furan, pyrrole, thiophene. Five-member heterocyclic compound having more than one heteroatom: pyrazole, imidazole. And let's start our topic. Which is pyrrole. Pyrrole is an important five-membered heterocyclic compound processing a nitrogen atom as heteroatom, playing important role in chemistry of living organism. Mainly, it make the chlorophyll. Pyrrole is one of the class of organic heterocyclic compound of five-member diunsaturated ring structure composed of four carbons and one nitrogen atom. The simplest member of the pyrrole family is pyrrole itself. Pyrrole ring system is involved in color product: green pigment chlorophyll, red hemoglobin, blue indigo in nature. Pyro- Pyrrolidine and saturated tetrahydropyrrole is a part of structure of amino acid. Pyrroline is a pyrrole in which one of or the two solid bond has been hydrogenated. So this is the common knowledge about the pyrrole. Let's start. Pyrrole is less aromatic than thiophene and more aromatic than furan. Therefore, the total orbital diagram are given here. We can see the pi cloud in this. Then next is, according to the resonance theory, pyrrole is consist as a resonance hybrid of the following contributing structure. Among the resonance contributing structure 1, 2 and 3 are the main contributing structure to the resonance hybrid, and hence resonance hybrid has a large electron density at position 2 and 5 than at 3 and 4. Next slide is synthesis of pyrrole. Synthesis of pyrrole is obtained by many processes, but we are here is there are four processes: from furan, from distillation of succinimide, from acetylene and ammonia, and Paul-Knox synthesis. From furan, if we heat furan, with ammonia or alumina, it gives pyrrole. Next is from distillation of succinimide. Pyrrole is also obtained by the distillation of succinimide with the zinc. Okay. Then pyrrole can also be obtained by passing acetylene and ammonia through a red hot tube. So this is acetylene ammonia. Okay, we are passing it through red hot tube. Then we get pyrrole. Pyrrole derivatives are synthesized by heating 1,4-diketon with primary amine. Okay, here is the reaction. Amphoteric properties of pyrrole. Pyrrole is weak base because the lone pair of electron of hydrogen atom contribute to the pi electron cloud, as we see in above diagram. Hence the availability of these electrons is decreased, and consequently it is an weak base. Pyrrole also exhibit weak acid property. The weak acidic property is due to its formation of potassium pyrrole with potassium hydroxide. Here is some chemical property. Pyrrole behave both as a weak acid and exhibit the following chemical reaction: reduction reaction, oxidation reaction, ring expansion reaction, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, opening reaction, electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. And the next is the use of pyrrole. Pyrrole and its derivatives are widely used as an intermediate in the synthesis of pharmaceutical medicine, agrochemical dyes, photographic chemical, perfumes, and other organic compounds. For example, chlorophyll, hemo are the derivatives which are made by 4-pyrrole ring formation of a ring system. They are used as catalyst for polymerization process, corrosion inhibitor, preservative, and as solvent for resins and terpenes. They are used as the standard of chromatographic analysis. At, they are also used in organic synthesis and pharmaceutical industries. So here we have completed a topic pyrrole. Thank you for this.